Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me the homeopathic remedy Agnus castus. Its common name is chaste tree and it is the part 1 general overview series. The text is taken predominantly from Allen's keynote and this is especially best suited for the student who are second, third and fourth BHMS students. So let us go ahead with that. The remedy profile is a small remedy, has main action on sexual organs. The kingdom is plant kingdom and the natural order is Verbeniaceae. Habitat. The plant grows on the shores of Mediterranean and Greece. The mother tincture is prepared from the ripe berries. The remedy was proved by Dr. Henneman. The organs issue affinity of the remedy is sexual organs, having a depressing effect on sexual organs, both in male and females, and nervous system. Lateral affinity of the remedy is ambilateral, thermal affinity being chilly remedy. The constitution. The somatic predilectation is for the lymphatic constitution according to Allen and Clark. General somatic characteristics include his muscles are flabby, the predominantly old subjects from abuse of sexual excess. The psychic preponderance includes the temperament is melancholic. The mind has got following traits: absent-minded, reduced power of insight, cannot recollect, has to read a sentence twice before he can comprehend, apathy, mental distraction, self-contempt arising in young persons from abuse of sexual powers. Dreams are erotic type. The causation. The diathesis is it is best suited to male sexual debility. Ailments from abuse of sexual powers from seminal losses, impotency after frequent attacks of gonorrhea, bad effects of suppressed gonorrhea, and sprains. Tobacco also plays a role. The characteristics feature include old sinners with impotence and gleet, unmarried persons suffering from nervous debility, complete impotence, relaxation, flaccidity and coldness of the genitalia. Leucorrhea is transparent but staining linen yellow. Deficient secretion or suppression of milk in nursing female, imaginary odor before the nose as if of herring or musk. The relationship of this remedy is caladium and selenium follows well after Agnus in weakness of sexual organs or impotency. The general modalities include aggravation, non-specific. Amelioration is also non-specific in terms of Allen and Burick. General modalities are taken up from Fatak. It includes aggravation by sexual excess, seminal losses, sprains by overlifting, cold room, exertion and motion intensify his complaints according to Kent. Amelioration by scratching, warm room, when remains quiet is Kent. The miasmatic orientation is neurotic affections point to soric miasmatic trait, gonorrheal affections point to psychotic miasmatic trait, premature old age points to syphilitic trait. The impression is that Agnus castus has mixed trimiasmatic traits with predominance of psychosyphilitic miasm. The posology is doses. Lower dilutions are recommended, first to 6 potency according to Boric, higher potencies according to need. Repetition bears the repetition well according to Payne Mathur, and duration of action is 8 to 14 days according to Clark. The clinical applications are absent-mindedness, poor memory, difficult concentration, impotency young. We can recall Dhaat syndrome also, suppressed gonorrhea, leukorrhea, suppressed milk, and uncinate epilepsy. Thank you, friends, for patient listening.